Alright, here is our project. We have a smart car using Arduino that we have hooked up to an application that we've made. We just go onto this is just an Android application, so if we just go onto the app here, we can see it has some basic functionalities. If we hit connect, this will connect to the Bluetooth right there, so that, okay, now it's connected. So now the car will receive commands from the application. So this circle right there in the middle is a basic joystick, so if we just move it forward, you can turn right, you can turn left, you can also back up. So some basic controls right there. We can also increase the speed of the car with right there. Going faster, slower, you can back it up again. It also, you can see, has some LED lights where that you can also control from the application. So you can say LED on, LED off. And these lights also light up when the car is turning right or left, so it indicates which direction the car is turning. And we can we also have a parking assistance feature, which with some incremental beeping. So if you can see the closer it gets to a wall, the more I'll actually just pick it up to demonstrate it here, so you can hear that the closer it gets to something, the faster it starts beeping. The beeps start increasing essentially. And then there is also an additional feature for auto mode. If you can look at the app right there, just flipping on the switch, now the car will run automatically with some basic obstacle avoidance. So when it approaches a wall, it turns. So that's just about it for the app. So the essence of this product, of this car, is basically a car that can be controlled remotely. And that can be very advantageous for a lot of different practical purposes. For example, when it comes to guiding a car through some kind of dangerous area, dangerous terrain, whatever the situation is right there, it could be very, obviously it could be very advantageous to be able to control the car from a distance remotely, so that a personnel or anything like that, person driving the car, wouldn't have to be at risk. And it could even, in the long term, maybe even save money on things like personnel, right? Instead of having to have hire drivers for the cars, you could save money just by being able to control this car remotely. So from a business standpoint, that's a very big advantage. And the car's functionalities can also be built upon. It certainly is not limited to the functionalities that we've displayed today, and it can be given additional functionalities, additional features, both when it comes to the hardware as well as the software. So those are a few, I think, really good advantages of our product. That's it. Cool.